All right, let's quickly cut across to Panchkula, where we are bringing you live visuals coming in of the BJP MLAs who are now going to be protesting against the massive accusation that's come in from the Aam Aadmi Party with regards to water terrorism in the river Yamuna. In fact, you can see the BJP MLAs and various ministers have arrived at this protest location. This is in Panchkula, and a massive protest is now going to be taking place against Arvind Kejriwal, the Aam Aadmi Party convener, and Haryana Chief Minister Nayab Singh Saini is also all set to join this protest which is happening in Haryana's Panchkula. Remember, Saini has in fact junked all the claims that have been made so far, not just by Arvind Kejriwal but Delhi's Chief Minister Atishri as well. All of Haryana BJP in fact is now challenging the Aam Aadmi Party to come up with the evidence to prove if it is the BJP which is poisoning the waters of the Yamuna in Delhi with ammonia. Let's quickly go across to Akash, who's joining me on the phone line with more inputs. Akash, tell me who all have now gathered for this protest to begin with.
Right, these are all BJP MLAs from Haryana who have gathered here and in fact, are going to protest against the comments by the Aam Aadmi Party leaders and specifically by the Aam Aadmi Party Supremo, Arvind Kejriwal, where yesterday he mentioned that how, in fact, he alleged that Haryana is, mixing poison in the waters of Yamuna, and had it been, the case that Delhi Jal Board is not attentive or not taking care of Delhi, this could have led to some sort of genocide. At this point in time, we have seen certain comments by the BJP leaders of Haryana and in Delhi as well, where they are saying that Kejriwal is habitual of, lying. And in fact, this is the reason why this time around he has once again come up with this allegation, where not just, he is saying that Haryana was mixing this sort of poison, but he is also saying that, it has been happening. And in fact, we remember that how in summers of 2024, he said that Haryana is basically not releasing adequate amount of water to Delhi. As of now, we are seeing these visuals where, in fact, these MLAs of Bharatiya Janata Party, are protesting against the comments by the Aam Aadmi Party. We are learning that at around 1 p.m., all MPs of Haryana, in fact, are going to address a press conference here in Delhi. In fact, at the BJP office, where they are going to somewhere lay down these facts. Also, Akanksha, very interesting that CM of Haryana has in fact said that he is going to file a defamation suit, if Kejriwal won't apologize. Also, just a few minutes back, I had a word with Cabinet Minister of Haryana, who is categorically saying that Kejriwal is acting, on the orders of some international agencies. This is dangerous and he should be punished for it. So a number of comments coming from Bharatiya Janata Party. In fact, we have been told that now Aam Aadmi Party has also approached the Election Commission, and CM of Delhi, Atishi, is going to meet the Chief Election Commissioner, regarding the same issue. But these visuals where Bharatiya Janata Party leaders are protesting against the comments by the Aam Aadmi Party Supremo, Arvind Kejriwal.